Hey fellow gamers, welcome to Gaming Basics, your one-stop solution for mastering the essentials. Let's dive in and level up together. In this video, I'm going to show you how to attack in Lots Mobile. To do so, you first need to launch your Lots Mobile app on your device, and once you've done that, on the bottom left side of your screen, you'll see a map icon. Tap on it, which will take you to this map right here. And now search for a kingdom you want to attack. So for this example, I'm going to attack this kingdom called Belcow. So I'm just going to tap on Belcow first, like so. And here you'll see this option called attack. Once you click on attack, an attack will be initiated on this kingdom. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up. And if you have any questions for us, please feel free to mention us in the comment section down below. Also, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell, so you'll never miss out on our latest guides and tutorials. This has been your host, Cease. Happy gaming!